Okay, so I'm getting ready to do some resin coasters. I've got 4 round geode shapes, and I've also got a larger geode shape that's, about the size of a hand. And I'm going to be using Counterculture DIY resin, parts A and B equal parts, mix for 3 minutes, transfer to a different cup and mix for another 1 or 2 minutes. And then I'll divide it out. I'm going to be using, today I'm experimenting with ARTEZA Mica powders. I have some holographic powder and some crushed glass and some little sparkle confetti and glitter. But I'm really interested to see how the the ARTEZA mica powders work, and I'm also going to put a little bit of acrylic paint in and some glass beads. So I'm real excited to be doing this. I'm loving the resin journey, and I'm going to not talk throughout the rest of the video because I'm going to have a respirator on my face and safety glasses, and you won't be able to hear me. It'll be too muffled, so I'll show you pictures at the end of the video. Thank you so much. Okay, these are in the molds. I don't know what they're going to look like. You never do. LOL. It's always going to be a surprise, like a box of chocolates. So there's a purpley geode shape, and then these are little coasters with all kinds of sparkles and gold and kind of broken glass in the center that's got some greenish tint to it. So we'll see what it looks like when it's unmolded. Stay tuned. Time for the unveiling of the pieces. So this was my first time using Counterculture DIY resin and ARTEZA mica powders. So we're going to see what this little geode fellow looks like. This is so much fun, y'all. So it's got glass beads in the center. So you can almost see through it. If I put it out in the sunshine, you probably could. So here's the top. And here's the other side. And you can see through the glass beads. In the middle. Very pretty. All right. So now for the coasters. There's one side. Same deal, you can kind of see through the center because I put clear in the middle. And then these have some like sea glass mirrored type shards in the center part. So really pretty. I love the that ring right there that's kind of iridescent, kind of a purple shimmer color. So lots of sparkle from the confetti on this side. And I used some holographic glitter that's in this circle here. So that's the sparkle that you see. I'll have to show these to you out in the sunshine too. Alright, so outside I just wanted to show you the beautiful shimmer. You can see my fingers through the middle, that's where the glass beads are. And if you turn it over, very pretty. And then, got 4 coasters. So you can see the sparkles, the confetti, the metallic gold shimmer. And the other sides, there's 4 of these. The other sides have the kind of sea glass colored shards that have a mirrored like look to them as well, and the beautiful iridescent color around the outside edge there. That is so pretty, and it's got the confetti inside of it. So there's four of those, and the 8-inch geode. So back inside, and just a little different look from the interior lighting. And you see my fingers, that's kind of a clear in the center where the glass beads are. A beautiful shimmer. And then the 4 coasters that are all that beautiful iridescent sparkle around the gold there. You only see it at certain angles. And the beautiful glass mirrored shards in the middle, and the metallic gold. And then on this side you get a totally different look. So there's 4 of those coasters and the 1 geode, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications in the bottom right, share with your friends, and can't wait to show you the next video. Check out all the links below the video, and there's some helpful tips and links there for all kinds of goodies. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.